ladies, I'm here in my closet to tell you about my closet tip, one that works for me very well, and I love color. So in the winter fall, I always color coordinate all my items first. Then I put them into a category of pants, tops, etc. So here I have all my whites. They go into the gray tones. Then I have my gray pants, my gray sweaters, everything gray together. Then I go into my navies and my blues and so on. Since I love color, I have so much of it, it just saves me time. Here's my browns into my olives. I don't have to worry about, is that brown black? Is that olive pant really gray? This way, it just helps me pull something and put together an outfit, and I have a lot of black and black print, so those are in another area. And I'd swirl you around, but we'll save that for another day. So hopefully this tip helped you. Spring, summer, I go by category of pants, then I color coordinate, tops, then I color coordinate, but in the fall, winter, it just helps me to put all colors together first. Thanks for watching.